Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting workouts on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch screen to open this menu. Then tap Workout. Choose the workout that you would like to record by tapping on it. Now before you start the workout, you can choose to set goals for the workout by tapping the flag below Go. You can choose a distance, duration, or calorie goal. You don't have to set a goal, but it's a helpful feature to have. To start your workout, tap Go. If you scroll down, you can see your heart rate. You can pause your workout by swiping from left to right and tapping pause. If you swipe from right to left, you can control your music. You can continue your workout the same way you paused it, and you can also end the workout on that screen by holding down on the End button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.